Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, we have started with the series of modal auxiliaries. I hope you are able to learn in an easy manner. So today we are going to talk about the most commonly used modal auxiliary. These are may and might. So may is used in different forms, like may is used as a request, that is binti. May is used as permission, that is anumati. May is used as blessing, that is ashirvad. May is also used as curse, that is shap dena. And may and might are both talking about the things which are uncertain, unsure. So let us learn these through examples. So may I come in? It's a kind of permission. May I borrow your pen? It's a kind of request. May a God bless you? It's a blessing. May you go to hell? It's a curse. And example with might, I might come home early today, where I am not sure. If you use may before the subject, then you talk about request, permission, blessing and curse. If you use may and might after the subject, then it is talking about the unsure things when you are not sure about the instance. So guys, keep watching, keep learning. Thanks for watching.